So dummy rounds are not very expensive, but not everybody has them, and you may still want to practice your malfunctions on the range. So how do I set up malfunctions without dummy rounds? All right, clear gun, empty mag, load one, load a spent casing, and load another live round. And then have your full mag or whatever you're going to do a mag change or malfunction with. So it's very simple. Malfunction, that's that empty round. Tap rack. Not all malfunctions clear in the first one. Let's do it again. Live round, empty, live. Simple. Very cheap way to practice your malfunction clearing. You don't have to buy any dummy rounds.